Hello guys, Jaden Suing Fence back, and today we're gonna make a video of the 52-inch Harper's River ceiling fan. This is going to be light, fan on low. This is a quick video of it. A quick video. At my room, I have the PS4. I have everything. Low speed. This is a quick video. Medium speed. Medium speed. Medium speed. Now it's too high speed. High speed already. High speed. Okay, let's do the light. Blow some air. Let's look up top of the ceiling fan. Now let's turn off the light and turn the fan off. And that will be